Peter Carney from My Food Garden. We're in our garden in Camp Mountain in Brisbane, and on May the 12th we are running a biodynamic composting workshop in this garden, and we'll be making a compost heap just like this. It's a beautiful compost heap that will produce a lot of great compost. This heap was made about a month ago, and this is the sort of beautiful compost that we make in these workshops. Perfect compost with a great mixture of minerals. And so the biodynamic composting method brings in the biodynamic compost preparations which enhance the quality of the compost, and the plants love it. It's really amazing stuff. And so we'll be explaining to you how to use it, how to make the compost, how to get more out of the compost so you can improve your growing in your vegetable gardens, throughout your orchards. We can turn it into a liquid as well as adding to your plants. So come along to our workshop. It's on a Saturday afternoon from 1 till 3:30, and the charge is $50. And you can book the workshop from our website, so that's myfoodgarden.com.au workshops. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you at the workshop.